My name is Deepak Shewani. I'm CEO of Fixotec Pipe Supports Private Limited. We are into modular support systems, which are mainly used for infrastructure projects like data centers, semiconductor factories, and large-scale industrial plants. The moment we got connection with AMNS, their sales team all the way from Ahmedabad was here, and that's how we started. Slowly, even our small orders were taken on priority. So we work as per Eurocode 3, where we need really wires of 250 minimum, and that kind of precision quality what AMNS is providing us is unbeatable and unmatchable in the industry at the moment. Over and above the service, we are getting also the slitted coils directly to our factory, which I think not even a local vendor or dealer might be providing. As you know, the steel market has been quite vulnerable these days, but the moment these such things come up, I think your sales team is really great, and they basically explain us exact time delays if there are any, so we can plan our production properly. So that kind of service is always appreciated. When it comes to packaging of AMNS, I think it's world class because our products are really slitted in from big coil to smaller coils, and the packaging kind of AMNS is giving is really up to the mark that what we require as per our German standards. Compared to other suppliers, AMNS on-time delivery, quality product, and the technical assistance makes AMNS very different compared to others. Fixotec has regularly procuring GPSP material from AMNS India. First, the consistent quality and strength of the product, the better corrosion resistance, and the excellent formability, which help us to roll our steel into our strut channels. We strongly believe that the supply priority is given in the same way that AMNS has been giving us, and this will really help us to grow this business in much more sustainable.